Good day, Marian Sir. My name is Mary Grace Ibero Salazar. I'm a Filipina, 39 years old. I'm happily married. I have one son, a 13 years old teenage boy. My hobby are reading books, cooking, and singing. My personality, I'm kind, honest, patient, understanding, hardworking, and trustworthy. My work experience as a domestic helper is in Yunlong New Territories, have a 5 family members. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of a newborn baby, and 2 kids are toddler. I'm also doing household chores like cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing the clothes, and go grocery shopping. I also accompany the children in extra activities. My education, I'm secondary school graduate. I'm taking vocational course in culinary and got a national certificate too in cookery. I'm not a degree holder, but I want to keep learning to enhance my skills and talent. I hope you hired me and I'm happy to work with you soon. Thank you.